Hey there, science fans. Today we're diving into the incredible world of globular proteins. These tiny powerhouses are essential for life as we know it. From transporting oxygen to fighting off infections, globular proteins are the unsung heroes of our bodies. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore their amazing abilities. Globular proteins are like miniature machines that perform specific jobs. They're found in all living organisms, from the tiniest bacteria to the largest animals. Without them, life as we know it wouldn't exist. Now let's get a little more technical. Proteins are made up of building blocks called amino acids. These amino acids link together in long chains like beads on a string. Globular proteins are special because these chains fold up into a compact spherical shape. This unique structure gives them their amazing properties. So, buckle up, science enthusiasts. We're about to embark on an exciting journey into the fascinating world of globular proteins. Prepare to be amazed by these tiny wonders that make life possible. Globular proteins, as their name suggests, have a globular shape. They are compact and spherical, like tiny balls of tightly wound yarn. This compact shape is what makes them so good at their jobs. Think about it this way. Imagine you have a long piece of string. If you just leave it lying around, it's not very useful. But if you roll it up into a ball, it becomes much more manageable. You can easily carry it around and it takes up less space. That's what globular proteins do. Their compact shape allows them to move around easily within cells and through the bloodstream. They can quickly get to where they're needed and carry out their important tasks. Another crucial feature of globular proteins is their solubility. They dissolve easily in water, which is essential because our bodies are mostly made up of water. This solubility allows them to interact with other molecules in our cells and perform their functions effectively. We know that globular proteins are made up of long chains of amino acids, but how do these chains fold into those compact spherical shapes? Well, it's all about chemistry. You see, each amino acid has different properties. Some are attracted to water, hydrophilic, while others repel water, hydrophobic. As the amino acid chain grows, these different properties cause the chain to twist and turn in a specific way. Imagine you have a bunch of magnets, some positive and some negative. If you put them all together, they'll arrange themselves so that the positive and negative poles attract each other. That's kind of what happens with amino acids in a protein. This folding process creates a unique three-dimensional structure for each globular protein, and guess what? This structure is crucial for their function. It's like a key fitting into a lock. Only the right shape will work. Now, remember how the shape of a globular protein is so important for its function? Well, sometimes that shape can be disrupted, and this process is called denaturation. Think of a cooked egg. When you heat an egg, the proteins in the egg white denature. This means their carefully folded structures unravel and they clump together, making the egg white solid and white. Several things can cause denaturation, including heat. High temperatures can break the bonds that hold the protein together. Acids and bases. Changes in pH can alter the charges of amino acids, disrupting the protein's structure. Salts or high salt concentrations can interfere with the interactions between amino acids. When a globular protein denatures, it loses its shape and therefore its function. It's like a key that's been bent out of shape. It won't fit into the lock anymore. Denaturation is a serious matter because our bodies rely on globular proteins to function correctly.